In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Hibernate on Windows 11. Hibernate is a power-saving mode that saves everything in memory to your drive and then fully powers down your PC. When you power back on, your work reappears exactly where you left off without using battery in the meantime. It's great for laptops and for long breaks when you don't want to close apps. First, we'll turn the feature back on at the system level. Press the Windows key and X together to open the Quick Link menu, then choose Command Prompt, Admin. You may see a confirmation prompt. Allow it so the command can run with administrator rights. In the Command Prompt window, type the command powercfg hibernate on and press Enter. This tells Windows to enable hibernation behind the scenes. If the command runs without errors, you're good to go. Give it a moment. Windows may create or update the file it uses to store your session. Next, let's confirm and adjust how Hibernate behaves in Settings. Press Windows and I to open the Settings app. In the left pane, select System, then choose Power and Battery on the right. This is where Windows manages power behavior for both battery and plugged-in states. Inside Power and Battery, click the option labeled Screen, Sleep, and Hibernate Timeouts. This section lets you set how long your device waits before it turns off the screen, goes to sleep, or hibernates. Because we just enabled the feature, you should now see Hibernate-related timeouts available alongside the screen and sleep options. Pick the timeouts that make sense for you. For example, you might set a longer period before Hibernate kicks in when the device is plugged in, and a shorter one when on battery to save power. If you prefer to hibernate only manually, choose Never for the Hibernate timeout so it doesn't happen automatically. That's it. Hibernate is now back on your Windows 11 device. From here, you can leave the default settings as is, or fine-tune the timeouts anytime from the same power and battery page. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the command prompt with admin rights and reverse the process using the appropriate powercfg command to turn it off. But for most users, enabling Hibernate offers a reliable way to pause work for extended periods without draining the battery. Thanks for watching. If this helped, set your preferred timeouts now so your PC behaves exactly the way you want it to when you step away.